smiling. Welcome to Dressmakers Diaries. My name is Jacqui and I'm a bridal and evening wear designer. I decided to start this channel to show that there's more than one way to make a garment. There are various textbook ways and there's also the freehand way, and all the techniques differ. We will discuss how to dress for your body types for all occasions, from date night to workwear to picking that special dress for your big day. From the basics to the technical, I hope to cover in this channel the whole design process, from illustration to Photoshop to toiling to cutting with patterns, cutting without patterns, to even sewing a button, and hopefully much more. Dressmakers Diaries is a reflection of my journey as a designer so far, and I'm really looking forward to making new and informative videos for you all. If you're interested in design construction, the process of putting a garment together, or all things bridal, please subscribe to my channel. Was that good? No. Okay. What did I get?
You dragged it a little bit.
I know. Okay. Well, like I was talking to myself. It was quite fun actually.